Hey everyone, today we're making something soft, crisp, and truly special. Strawberry vanilla custard puff pastry. Delicate layers filled with sweetness and light. Flaky, creamy, fresh. Let's begin. Start with one sheet of puff pastry, thawed and relaxed. These will become your top and bottom layers. Sprinkle a little flour over the surface, just enough to keep it from sticking. Now gently flip the pastry over, smooth it out again, no rush. Another light dusting of flour. Soft, even, like fresh snow. Now roll it out slightly, just enough to stretch it smooth and thin. Not too much. We still want those airy golden layers. Once it's even, trim the edges for a clean, sharp shape. Then cut the pastry into 4 equal rectangles, nice and tidy. Place them gently on a parchment-lined tray with just enough space so they don't start a pastry pileup. Now give each piece a few pokes with a fork, a little pastry acupuncture. This keeps the layers light and even as they bake. Bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 390 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. Watch as the pastry rises and turns golden. The kitchen starts to smell like something worth waiting for. Flaky layers forming, buttery and light, golden, puffed, and crisp. Let them cool completely. Now, let's make the vanilla custard cream. This is where the heart of the dessert lives. In a bowl, add 4 egg yolks, golden and rich, like captured sunshine. Separate them carefully. Even a drop of egg white can keep your custard from setting just right. Take your time. The yolks give it body, smoothness, and that velvety texture we're after. Now, pour in 150 grams of sugar, because life's just better when it's sweet. And don't forget a pinch of salt. Even desserts need balance. And a little attitude. Whisk until smooth, gentle, creamy, and calm. Sprinkle in 100 grams of cornstarch, soft, white, and ready to thicken things up. Pour in 600 milliliters of milk, slowly so it doesn't splash or sulk. Give everything a good stir. This is the start of something creamy. Thanks for being here. It wouldn't be the same without you. Right now, it's simple and pale, but that's how vanilla custard stories begin. Pour the mixture into a saucepan and place it over low heat. Whisk gently, without rushing. This is a slow bloom. Little by little, it thickens, turning soft, then glossy. It's patient work, but vanilla custard cream rewards the gentle hand. Add a tablespoon of vanilla extract and 16 grams of vanilla sugar. Whisk in the vanilla cream slowly. Let the scent bloom, soft and full of comfort. Give it one last gentle stir. Then lift it from the heat, calm and content. Now stir in 50 grams of butter. Let it melt slowly, folding into the warmth. Bit by bit, the vanilla custard cream turns silky, smooth, and full of promise. Cover it with plastic wrap and let it cool completely at room temperature. While the vanilla cream rests, let's get to the strawberries. Wash, dry, and slice about 400 grams of strawberries, thin, even, and ready to shine. Set a few perfect slices aside for the top. The rest will hide inside. It's a nod to the classic French vanilla slice, but with strawberries tucked in like a secret. A little Napoleon cake, a little vanilla custard cake, kissed by summer fruit. Now it's time to build. Think of it as a strawberry vanilla slice. Soft, sweet, and full of charm. A strawberry millefeuille moment, made right in your own kitchen. Take 2 of your cooled puff pastry rectangles, they'll be the base. Spread on a layer of vanilla custard cream, soft and smooth, reaching gently from edge to edge. Thanks for being part of this. Whether you're baking or just dreaming about it, I'm happy you're here. Add a layer of sliced strawberries, like a little burst of summer. There's something about strawberries, like summer never really left your plate. Then another layer of custard cream, thick, creamy, unapologetically rich. There's something timeless about a vanilla sliced dessert or a soft vanilla custard cake layered with strawberry. Each bite feels like comfort wrapped in cream. Simple, sweet, and just a little nostalgic. Crown it with the second puff pastry rectangle. Lightly press it down, just enough to settle. Each slice, golden pastry, vanilla cream, and that soft strawberry middle. Dust the tops with a snowfall of icing sugar. Light, sweet, and bright. Add the reserved strawberry slices, as delicate as a memory. And there it is, strawberry vanilla custard cream puff pastry. If this added a bit of comfort to your day, you're always welcome to subscribe.